If I told you I had a 3-bedroom home in San Elijo Hills coming on the market, you'd think, big deal, Paige. We see those come on all the time. All right, let's back up. What if I told you I had a 3-bedroom home, 1,705 square feet, immaculately kept single-story home in the heart of San Elijo Hills with walkability to top-rated schools, parks, trails, and a vibrant town center? I bet you'd come inside and check out this listing video. Come on, let's take a look. Check out this layout. Open kitchen, dining, and living room, and speaking of the kitchen, it comes complete with gorgeous silestone quartz counters and even a waterfall edge at the center island, and KitchenAid stainless steel appliances. You'll love sitting in your cozy family room and relaxing with your built-in entertainment unit. And down the hall, 2 bedrooms sharing a full bath and a spacious master bedroom with turreted entry. And let's not forget about that location. If you're into the outdoors, you'll love the 18 miles of hiking and biking trails. Walk across the street to hit one of the many incredible parks, complete with a spray ground. And how many people do you know can say they can walk to shops and the nearby schools? This home really has it all. It's a beautiful home, a great location, and truly a rare opportunity to own a single-level home with one of the best locations in the community. For a showing, give me a call, shoot me a text to schedule a tour at your convenience.